Best USB cable splitters efficiently charge multiple devices simultaneously, saving time, reducing clutter, and ensuring safe, organized power distribution. My today's video is about top 5 best USB cable splitters for charging devices that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Minthau's USB-C hub. Upgrade your laptop connectivity with this 5-in-1 USB hub, a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. Featuring a 140W PD input port, 4K at 60Hz USB-C to HDMI adapter, two 10 gigabit per second USB ports, USB-A and USB-C, and a USB-A 2.0 port, it effortlessly expands your device's capabilities. Perfect for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and other USB-C devices, it ensures seamless video output, charging, and data transfer. The 4K at 60Hz HDMI support delivers crystal clear, ultra-high-definition visuals, ideal for streaming, presentations, or dual-monitor setups. With up to 125W fast charging, you can power laptops efficiently while gaming, multitasking, or working without worrying about interruptions. Super-speed USB ports allow blazing fast 10 gigabits per second file transfers, moving a 1 gigabyte file in just a second, while the USB-A 2.0 port handles peripherals like printers and external drives. Designed for true plug-and-play convenience, this hub supports USB-C, Thunderbolt 4.5, USB 4 devices, and multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, Android, and more. No drivers required. A versatile, high-performance USB splitter that elevates productivity and entertainment alike. Now our second product is Elabase USB Splitter 1-in 4-out 1-foot. The USB-A to 4-port splitter is the ultimate solution for expanding your connectivity without clutter. Designed to turn a single USB-A port into 4, it effortlessly connects multiple devices, keyboards, mice, flash drives, or gaming controllers, eliminating the frustration of limited ports. Functionality meets simplicity. With just one cable, you gain 4 additional USB-A ports, keeping your workspace organized and your bag free from tangled wires. Built for durability, this splitter features double-braided nylon and an aluminum casing, resisting daily twists, bends, and wear, ensuring a long-lasting, tangle-free experience. Universally compatible, it works seamlessly with laptops, PCs, and gaming consoles, making it a versatile companion for virtually any USB-enabled device. Beyond performance, it comes backed by a 12-month worry-free service plan, reflecting confidence in its quality and giving users peace of mind. Whether at home, office, or on the go, this USB-A splitter delivers reliable, durable, and convenient connectivity that keeps all your devices powered and connected. Our third product is KiwiBird USB Splitter 1-in 2-out. The dual USB 1-in 2-out splitter is a versatile solution for expanding your device connectivity. With this compact adapter, a single USB port transforms into 2, allowing you to connect flash drives, keyboards, mice, printers, USB fans, LED lights, and game controllers simultaneously. Perfect for PCs, laptops, Macs, smart TVs, and gaming consoles like PS4, PS5, and Xbox, it supports both charging and data transfer at the same time, delivering data speeds up to 30 megabytes per second and charging currents up to 1.5 designed for durability. The premium Y cable features a tangle-free, sturdy build, ensuring long-lasting performance for home, office, or travel use. Its wide compatibility covers a range of peripherals, from hard drives and Bluetooth receivers to USB speakers and LED lights, making it a true all-in-one connectivity tool. With plug-and-play convenience, no drivers are needed. Simply connect and expand instantly. Whether for gaming, office setups, or home entertainment, this dual USB splitter ensures efficient, reliable, and hassle-free connectivity for all your essential devices. Now number 4, Ricoh USB Hub. This multi-port USB adapter is a practical solution for low-power devices, offering simple plug-and-play functionality for charging and data syncing. With a 1.2A power output, It's ideal for connecting USB flash drives, controllers, hard drives, mice, keyboards, TVs, computers, laptops, or gaming consoles like PS4, making it a versatile accessory for home, office, or travel use. Designed for convenience, this Y-cable USB splitter allows multiple devices to share a single port, streamlining your workspace and reducing cable clutter. It supports reliable data transfer and device charging for low-power peripherals, ensuring efficient operation without complex setup. However, it's important to note that this adapter is not compatible with CarPlay, Android Auto, or high-power devices, as it may not provide sufficient current or may be rejected by certain car stereo systems. Despite these limitations, it remains a durable, lightweight, and compact solution for everyday connectivity needs, particularly for laptops, desktops, and low-demand USB devices. And our last choice is Vinon 4-port USB 3.0 hub. The 4-port USB hub is a versatile solution for expanding your computer or laptop connectivity. Transform a single USB port into 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, allowing all 4 ports to work simultaneously without overheating. Its plug-and-play design requires no drivers, making setup effortless for any user. The USB-C port supports 5V power input and data transfer, enabling connections to Type-C phones, mobile hard drives, and other devices, solving the problem of limited USB-C ports on laptops and computers. Note that this port is for hub power input only and does not charge other devices. Ideal for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Mini, and even car setups like Tesla Model Y 2021 to 2024 and Model 3 2021 to 2023. This hub is compatible for extending USB connectivity in multiple environments, with a USB 3.0 port providing up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speed and 2 USB 2.0 ports at 480 megabits per second. It efficiently handles high-speed data and peripheral devices like mice, keyboards, and printers. Hot swappable and compatible across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, it's a reliable plug-and-play hub for home, office, or travel use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.